AV systems are evolving from isolated technologies to fully networked solutions, delivering audio, video, and control together. The OMNI Networked AV range brings together 3 product families designed for different performance, streaming, and connectivity needs. OMNI 600 series delivers high-performance AV over IP with ultra-low latency and pristine 4K 60 image quality over gigabit networks. Powered by motion wavelet compression and Dante AVA, it's designed for real-time applications where performance is critical. At the center is the OMNI 660, which provides dual-stream outputs and USB 2 routing, simultaneously delivering both high-performance and bandwidth-efficient video streams for hybrid and multi-destination workflows. The 630 encoder and decoder wall plates provide installation flexibility, and the economical 610 models let designers select the feature set required for each space. With support for H.264, H.265, and Dante AVH, the OMNI 300 series delivers bandwidth-efficient video distribution and third-party compatibility. Ideal for shared networks, WANs, and large-scale deployments, simultaneously delivering both 4K 60 and 1080p video streams, perfect for live streaming or viewing on desktops and mobile browsers. OMNI 200 series devices provide full bandwidth USB 2 extension and routing across standard IP networks, allowing USB hosts like laptops or conferencing systems to connect with remote cameras, conferencing soundbars, or other USB devices. Simultaneously connect a USB host with devices at up to 4 OMNI 600 or 200 series endpoints. OMNI Networked AV delivers consistent results across every space, from single rooms to global deployments, all designed to meet enterprise security standards. With an open control API to simplify integration with third-party control systems. PoE Plus powered, and mount where you need. OMNI 600, 300, and 200 can operate independently or come together as part of the OMNI ecosystem, unifying audio, video, and control into one flexible solution, all configured and managed through AVX Suite, providing an intuitive workflow for design, deployment, and monitoring. OMNI Networked AV, built for performance, designed for flexibility and scale.